Alright, well, some of you are asking for an exhaust clip of what my swinger sounds like here, so we'll make sure it's in neutral, and come up here, and we got the 360, very mild 360, but 360 4-speed, 355 short grip, should be a fun little car. Let's start it here. Starts up pretty nicely. Got the new exhaust with the H-pipe. Come around to the back here. Go. Turn it up. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it sounds. I just have the stock, or the mufflers that came with the kit. So the turbo mufflers, I think I still need to do a little more welding on the exhaust though, since it is leaking water out. Or maybe I should just let it leak out so it doesn't rust out the whole tube. Anyway, so yeah, there you go.